In the golden jubilee year of formation of Gujarat state, new benchmarks of development were established. With a vision of achieving development through reading, inculcating the culture of reading in children, and making Gujarat the reading and knowledge capital of India. Under the leadership of our popular and dynamic Chief Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, Vache Gujarat was launched.
સ્વર્ણિમ ગુજરાતના કાર્યક્રમોમાં અનેક કાર્યક્રમો થવાના છે, પણ કોઈ મને પૂછે કે મુખ્યમંત્રી તરીકે તમારો પ્રિય કાર્યક્રમ કયો, તો મિત્રો હું કહીશ વાંચે ગુજરાત એ મારો સૌથી પ્રિય.
Gujarat reads. Gujarat is reading. Gujarat is developing. The objective of the campaign was to make people understand the need to read and that the students should read books other than related to their curriculum. A firm believer in friend of a book is my friend too. The Chief Minister dreamt of people of Gujarat being recognized the world over as voracious and ardent readers.
વાંચન તમારી વિચાર શૃંખલાને ઝકઝોરતું હોય છે ને એને ધમધમાવી દેતું હોય છે, અને એ જ વિકાસની ઉર્જાનો આધાર બની જતો હોય છે. જો વાંચનનો આટલો મહિમા હોય, વાંચનનું આટલું મહત્વ હોય, તો મારું ગુજરાત કેમ ન હોય?
During the campaign, libraries were unlocked, closets opened, and large number of books imprisoned for years were set free. Vache Gujarat campaign proved to be a miracle. In just 1 year, it gave the much needed impetus to the habit of reading. People's participation resulted in the formation of Lok Samitis in 33 districts and 200 talukas of the state, touching the lives of millions of people. In 27 districts, 50 meets were organized, which were attended by 15,000 enthusiastic and dedicated volunteers. Discussion on my favorite book, Best Reader Contest, Float a Book, Reading Thinking Workshops, Book Study and Celebration Projects, Zola Pustakalaya, Inspirational Notes about Reading, Book Fairs, Inspirational Meets, Vichar Mela or Ideas Fair, and Thought Symposium were organized, leading to the success of the campaign. 25 lakh students read 10 million books during various programs organized under the Vache Gujarat campaign. 15,917 schools, guides from 512 colleges, and 10,000 evaluators from across the state made invaluable contribution. 12,533 book marches, 14,811 inspiration meets, 4,170 teachers training sessions for Vichar Vanchan and Granth Sarathi Shibers were organized at many places across the state. 15,53,000 students were imparted training in 12,703 Vichar Vanchan Shibers. 22,134 teachers and 5,12,811 students in 15,917 schools discussed their favorite book. 477 shibers were organized for 15,416 Granth Sarathi teachers. The state committee office bearers of the campaign organized almost 200 meetings to inspire and guide more than 1 lakh students and teachers. Almost 2 lakh teachers were addressed through BISAC, satellite video conferencing, and 706 Zola Pustakalais were initiated. Granth Yatras or book procession were taken out at many places, and 1,000 Vichar Melas were organized. On long route buses, 25 to 50 books were distributed for reading. Publicity through billboards, newspaper advertisements, posters, and other media was organized. 55 book fairs were organized simultaneously across the state. Vache Gujarat book exhibitions were organized in schools in the state. About 54 affiliated organizations also participated in the campaign. Under the guidance of Gujarati Sahitya Parishad, 140 institutions came together to organize debates and discussions on My Favorite Book. 141,768 books were circulated under the Float a Book initiative. Gujarati Sahitya Parishad and Ramakrishna Mission started libraries in 24 jails across the state with 500 books. 35 programs and Kavi Sammelans or Poets Meets were organized. On Saturday, 30th October 2010, almost 6 million people participated in Vaanche Gujarat campaign. Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Education Minister and other leaders, officers and citizens, young and old alike, participated in it with great enthusiasm. About 1.5 million students participated in the Best Reader contest and 60.64 lakh books were read. Books and magazines worth Rs 15 million were given away as prizes. A 3-day residential Jeevan Ghadtar Shibir or life forming camp was organized for 1,200 winners of the Best Reader contest. It was an experience of a lifetime for participants. It gave a new direction to their lives and became a source of inspiration for life and character building. As a part of the Swarnim Gujarat closing celebrations, Gyan Shakti, the power of knowledge, was celebrated at Surat. The visually challenged also participated in the campaign. For the first time in India and by any state government, visually challenged students were provided books other than those in the curriculum. This campaign not only carved a niche in the hearts of people, some emotional moments were also seen. Niruba of Khed Brahma donated Rs 5,000 to Mahadev Bhai. Out of the Rs 9,000 she got after selling her buffalo. This was considered the biggest charity for Vaanche Gujarat campaign. Today, Gujarat acknowledges the importance of reading. Gujarat has realized that reading brings humility and shapes one's cultural development through ideas. Need to read is realized by all. Children learnt about Gujarat's literary canvas, India's cultural heritage, and world's cultural diversity through books. Not just information, books helped in sow the seeds of knowledge and sensibility. Teachers realized their true dharma. Temple of books came up at many places, and the flame of knowledge enlightened homes. Only readers can be good leaders has been understood by all. One's imagination would fall short to fathom the benefits that Vaanche Gujarat has brought. Gujarat continues to read. Vaanche Gujarat goes on.